Right, in this little video, we want to show you how to find the length of a tangent to a circle from a point P, whose coordinates will be given. So, if you look at the little diagram there, we know that the radius to the point of contact is always at 90 degrees to the tangent. So we can use Pythagoras' theorem and say that pt squared, which is the length that we're after, equals pa squared minus r squared. And the pa part is x1 minus h all squared plus y1 minus k squared, and then you have the r squared. Now, you could have obtained that by directly substituting x1 and y1 for x and y in the circle equation. To it, the general equation would be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared minus r squared, and then just substitute x1 for x and y1 for y, work out to the left-hand side of that, and then just take the square root. And that will give you the length of the tangent. So let's take a couple of examples. First of all, find the length of the tangent from the point 10, 15 to either of these circles here. And let's take the first one. From what we've just said, all we need to do is substitute in the coordinates 10 for x and 15 for y. So in the case of A, what do we get? We get 10 minus 1 squared plus 15 plus 2 squared minus 51, and that will come out to 81 plus 17 squared, which is 289, and then minus 51, and that comes to 319. So, to find the length of the tangent, all you do is take the square root of that. So, tangent length is square root 319. You can leave it like that. There's no need to go any further. Now, if we look at the second one and do the same thing, so we have to just substitute in the x and y coordinates for x and y. And what do we get this time? So we'll get pt squared. We call that the length of the tangent, equals, let's see what the equation was. The equation was x squared. Let's write that down just for reference. X squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 5y is 0. And then substituting in the coordinates, you got 10 squared plus 15 squared plus 8 times 10 minus 5 times 15. And that works out to 100 plus 225 plus 80 minus 75. And that comes to 330. Okay, so pt will equal square root 330. That finishes that.